Hello to everyone, you are watching KG Korean Lifestyle. Today I will tell you about the latest 2023 Christmas lighting ideas. I hope you will like these ideas and subscribe my channel. And I will tell you the significance of Christmas lighting. May the beautiful lights of every holiday season remind us of Him who is the source of all lights. Christmas lights can remind us that Jesus Christ is the light of the world. They can also remind us to be lights to others and to help others come on to Christ. And Christmas lights, also known as fairy lights, festive lights, or string lights, are lights often used for decoration in celebration of Christmas, often on display throughout the Christmas season, including Advent and Christmas tide. And what is the use of Christmas light? The United States use 6.63 billion kilowatt hours of electricity each year to power holiday lights. That's enough energy to run 14 million refrigerators. And the custom goes back to when Christmas trees were decorated with candles, which symbolize Christ being the light of the world. The Christmas trees were brought by Christians into their homes in early modern Germany. Christmas trees displayed publicly and illuminated with electric lights became popular in early 20th century. By the mid 20th century, it became customary to display strings of electric lights along with streets and on buildings. Christmas decorations detached from Christmas tree itself. In the United States and Canada, it became popular to outline private homes with such Christmas lights in tract housing starting in 1960s. But the late 20th century, the custom had also starting in adopted in other nations, including outside the Western world, notably in Japan and Hong Kong. It has since spread throughout Christians. In many countries, Christmas lights as well as other Christmas decorations are traditionally erected on or around the first day of Advent. In the Western Christian world, the two traditional days when Christmas lights are removed are Twelfth Night and Candlemas, the latter of which ends the Christmas Epiphany season in some denominations. Talking down Christmas decorations before 12th night as well as leaving the decoration up beyond candles is historically considered to be enthusiastic. The Christmas tree was first recorded to be used by the Lutheran Christians in the 15th and 16th century, with records indicating that a Christmas tree was placed in the Cathedral or Strasbourg in 1539. The technology used in Christmas lighting display is highly diverse, ranging from simple light strands, Christmas lights, through to full-blown illuminated table arcs, involving complex illuminated animations and statues. Christmas lights, also called twinkle light, holiday lights, mini lights, or fairy lights. There are strands of electric lights used to decorate homes, public commercial buildings, and Christmas tree during the Christmas season are amongst the most recognized form of Christmas lighting. Christmas lights come in a dazzling array of configurations and colors. The small middle balls, commonly known as fairy lights, are also called Italian lights in some parts of US such as Chicago. The first miniature Christmas lights were manufactured in Italy I hope you will like all these ideas and also subscribe my channel. The types of lamps used in Christmas lightings are vary considerably, reflecting the diversity of modern lighting technology. In general, common lamp types are incandescent light bulbs and now light emitting diodes, which are being increasingly encouraged as being more energy efficient. Less common are neon lamp sets,